This how to 1 minute will guide you how you can create a temporary login details for WordPress website. So you will be able to log into your WordPress dashboard without any password. Just follow these easy steps to set up it. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and we need to install a plugin first. So hover over on plugins and click on add new. Click on search plugins and type here temporary. And this is the plugin we have to install. And activate the plugin. Once the plugin activated, now we need to set up a temporary login option. So click on create new. And here, enter your email address. Enter here your first name and last name. Select the role that you want to give to this temporary login user. Redirect after login, selecting dashboard, and select here the link expiry date or time. You can change the language from here and click on submit. And as you can see, a temporary user has been created, and now we have to copy the user link. So click on this copy link icon. Once you copied the link, now you can send this link to the user whom you want to give a temporary login access. To check, I'm going to opening a incognito mode and simply pasting the login URL. And as you can see, using the login link, I've successfully logged into my WordPress dashboard without any password. So that's how we can set up temporary login details in WordPress website. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.